Hey guys, so basically I'm just going to show you how to remove delay from a capture device on OBS. This is not using the audio delay, whether it's VSync or in the advanced audio tab. We're going to use a script instead. The reason why we're going this route is because unfortunately, no matter how much audio delay I add, it seems to get out of sync regardless. I'm not going to get into the details why I'm having this issue, but what I am going to do is show you how to fix it. So we're going to go over to the computer screen. Alright, so here's your OBS. This is pretty simple. I'll drop the script in the description for you guys. You may or may not have to tweak it to your liking. But that being said, you're going to want to go to Tools, down to Scripts. And as you can see here, I've got a script. Okay, so we're going to open a notepad. And as you can see, I've already got the script here. I will leave this in the description for you guys. So if you guys want to copy this and use it for yourself, you're more than welcome. So pretty much what you're going to do is you're going to want to save this file. When you save it, you can save it to wherever you want. We're going to go with the gallery for this one. That's just the default. Want to click all files. Doesn't matter what you name it, but at the end you want to go .lua. Right? And then once you save that, you want to go back to your OBS. Now you're going to want to go to Tools, Scripts. You're back at this screen. You want to click plus. And you go find your file, and you open it, and then it's right here. And then you can edit it within here. But here's the important part. So this is how long it's going to wait in between, and this is how long it's going to do it for. So what we're doing here essentially is every 2 minutes, we're shutting the capture card off for 1 second, and then we're turning it back on. Now, the important part here is not only these two numbers, but this. So this is case sensitive and must be exactly the same as whatever source you're trying to do this to. It doesn't have to be a capture card necessarily, it could be any of your sources. But in this particular example, we're going to do the capture card because that's the device I'm having issues with. So once you've got, your device here and whatever values you'd like, you save it and then follow the steps I just showed you a moment ago. Give you a little example. Here, let me save this as a test. Actually, wait, no, we're going to change the values. Give me one moment. So we're going to put 10,000 just for an example. It's 10 seconds. And save as test.lua. Gonna make sure we have it set to all files. Okay. Put that in the gallery. Yep. All right. And now when I go back to OBS, I should be able to grab a script, click plus, gallery, right here, LUA. Right. And now, as long as we're doing this correctly, it should theoretically. So we're going to start recording. You'll see in the bottom corner here, once this gets to 10, it should shut off my capture card. Right there. And then it's back on. So basically what this does is going to reset the audio to match up with the video. This will help if, like me, you cannot for the life of you get the async or audio delay to cooperate. But that's it, guys. It's that simple. So like, comment, subscribe, and see ya.